Hello guys, welcome to .NET Tutor. From this video I'm starting HTML tutorials. Let's see what is HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language which is used for creating web pages. Nowadays all the web pages are maximum created by HTML. UI part is used by using HTML language. Nowadays companies are asking full stack developers, which means front end and back end. Every Java developer should be well known of HTML, and .NET developers and other developers should aware of HTML. So let's see some examples today. And like many websites you can see in the internet, like Google, Facebook, and banking sites, it will use HTML for their UI part. Let's see on the live how these websites are using HTML. I'll show you. Just I am opening the new tab, and after opening the Google, you can see like this Google doodle, like Google brand. So let's click on the right click on it and view page source. You can see document type is HTML. UI part of this Google is using HTML everywhere in the front end. And you can also inspect. You can see HTML. If you click on the element, each element that will show on the left side with the blue block. So you can see as a logo. If you see logo, it is highlighting on the logo of Google on the left side. You can see this way HTML is playing a major role on the UI part. Let's see banking sites, for example ICICI. I'm opening it. This is the ICICI Bank website. Let's see what they are using. UPS source. See, these are the websites are using HTML. You can see. Let's inspect. See the elements they are used. We can see here in HTML. This is the body of it, and this is the HTML. See, you can see the highlighting part. Headers, header menu, div tags. You can see like this. Don't worry about it. You don't be confused. You will all get to know about every element in this if you follow this .NET Tutor channel. I will be teaching you in the real time how this HTML is going to work on UI part. Okay, I will show you. Let's get started and to the HTML tutorial. The basic part is the doc type HTML is used to indicate the document type is HTML. So in the HTML, the first tag we should mention like doc type is HTML. This indicates that the document is HTML. If you write some document HTML code in some text notepad like that, then you have to mention doc type is HTML. And this HTML is having many elements, like it will start with HTML. It is a root element, and we can have header element. This contains information, meta information like scripts. We can We can mention in the head tag all the scripts, and we have a title tag which is used to give title on HTML page. And this is the element, body is the element used for the it is a container for all the contents. Like we can while writing, we can see in the website on the page, we can see headings, images, tables, all the links. This all will be in the body tag. And h1 is a heading, which if we want to give a heading, a large heading, then we can use h1. And p is the if you want to mention some paragraph, we have to write some paragraph about the page, then we can use a p element. Let's start with some basic example. I will show you while writing. Okay, I created some HTML tutorial folder. I'm opening it, and I'm creating a new text document. I will rename it as HTML1. Okay, actually this is a notepad file. Let's see, let's write some example. What I told, what the first tag is. Let's go to the slide. I said this is a document. We have to mention what document type is HTML. So doc HTML. Here was I HTML. You can mention, you can write as your wish. And we can mention some paragraph also. And this paragraph should be closed. Basic. I have from tutor. See guys, it's ready. The file is ready now. What I will do now is we should have to save this as you have to save should as htm or html. You can save with the extension htm or html. I'm saying with html and saving. Actually we created as a text file, now I am saving as html file. Where is my html file now? Let's see in the folder. See, this is the text file we have created, and after writing the code, we saved as html document. So it is changed with chrome, the page it is showing as chrome page. Let's open this. Click OK. See what we wrote. The heading is my HTML page, and we wrote the title as sample HTML page. It is showing as a title page, title of the page, and this is a heading, and this is the paragraph which we have written in this. That's it. Like this is a basic example. You can write many paragraphs here, and we can write headings. We can write headings from h1. H1 is the large heading, and if you write h2 here for headings, so going up to h3, h4, h5, h6, the heading will size of the heading will be decreased. I will h3. Let's save this file. I'm saving and going to here. I will just going again. I am running again. See the headings, h1 heading, h2 heading, h3, and like this you can mention up to h6 headings. That's it guys. Please stay tuned on .NET Tutor for more examples. Thank you very much for learning with me. If you have any doubts, you can write to me on .NET-tutor-online@gmail.com. I will try my best to answer your question, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share with your .NET guys.